BJP accuses Rahul Gandhi of aligning with foreign interests amid Trump's USAID allegations. Hi, my name is Sneha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. The Bharatiya Janata Party has intensified its criticism of Congress Member of Parliament Rahul Gandhi, labeling him a tool for foreign agencies. This accusation follows recent remarks by US President Donald Trump, who suggested that the United States Agency for International Development funds were utilized to interfere in India's electoral process. Speaking at the Saudi Arabia government-backed Future Investment Initiative Priority Summit in Miami, Trump questioned the allocation of $21 million by the previous Joe Biden administration purportedly intended to improve voter turnout in India. He insinuated that this financial aid aimed to influence the election outcome in favor of candidates opposing Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Trump stated, "Why do we need to spend $21 million on voter turnout in India? I guess they were trying to get somebody else elected." In response to Trump's assertions, BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya claimed that these remarks validate concerns about foreign interference in India's democratic processes. Malviya highlighted a 2023 incident where Rahul Gandhi, during a visit to London, allegedly solicited foreign intervention in India's internal matters. Malviya stated in March 2023, ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha election, Rahul Gandhi was in London, urging foreign powers from the US to Europe to intervene in India's internal affairs. Malviya further accused Gandhi of collaborating with international entities aiming to destabilize India's strategic interests, asserting that the Congress leader is acting as an instrument for foreign agencies. The Congress party has dismissed Trump's allegations as nonsensical and has urged the Indian government to release a comprehensive white paper detailing USAID's financial contributions to both governmental and non-governmental organizations in India over the years. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh emphasized the need for clarity, stating the government of India should bring out a white paper at the earliest, detailing USAID's support to both governmental and non-governmental institutions in India over the decades. Subsequent investigations have revealed discrepancies in the claims regarding the $21 million USAID funding. Records indicate that the funds were sanctioned in 2022 for initiatives aimed at enhancing youth civic engagement in Bangladesh, not India. By the time of the funding's cancellation, approximately $13.4 million had already been utilized. USAID's official records further confirm that no projects funded by the Consortium for Elections and Political Process Strengthening have been implemented in India since 2008. The exchange between the BJP and the Congress underscores the heightened political tensions surrounding allegations of foreign interference in India's electoral processes. As both parties continue to debate the implications of these claims, I am eager to hear your thoughts. Do you believe there is political interference in India's electoral process? Share your views in the comment section below. If you want more such stories, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal. Thank you for watching.